Hey all, Will Healy here. Yesterday I went to this awesome show hosted by Rhino Tool House called IHAT. And one of the things I did was I attended a panel discussing connecting automation and workers that was moderated by Jake Hall. And the two panelists were Kyle Hurst of Rhino Tool House and Paul Ryznar of Light Guide. And they discussed some just absolutely powerful questions that I want to ask you. Things like, how can we use automation to train people automatically? How can we deal with the data we're making and create real actions with it? How can we draw people into manufacturing by making it more interesting? How do we get the pride back into manufacturing and make people our force multipliers? How can we make work like how we live, with voice commands and AI and technology? How can we use technology to make the work less stressful, to free up our mind, to do the right thing every time and focus more on the big picture? And then how can I switch from defect detection to defect prevention? And I really liked that idea. And then last but not least, how can we use gamification tactics to engage and inspire employees? And so these were all really good questions. They also talked about things like distributed manufacturing. Could we have Uber manufacturing? I thought that was really interesting. Some different ways of thinking about what we're doing and how we can engage the new workers that are out there, and how can we use technology to engage our people and to extend the careers of our people. And so I saw and discussed so many incredible, real and implemented smart factory technologies yesterday that really empower workers. And really manufacturers need to invest. So ask yourself, what will I automate next? Hope you have a great day.